Hey, I'm Chris with CarryonUSA.com. This is Justin. So what we're about to do is we're going to have a race. Who could unbox the Carryon the fastest? Now, with that being said, this one right here came from CarryonUSA.com. It's in red, I believe. And this one came from a competitor. And I think it's blue. Now, just so you know, if you order from CarryonUSA.com, this one will not be here faster than that one. But let's act like it did. This might come a couple months later. Maybe 10 days, who knows. This one's going to ship to you real fast. Because we keep our own stock of inventory. Of parts, we ship out fast. So with this video, you're going to see the difference between opening one from us and competitors. So we're going to race. We're going to use the tools that come with it. Let's go. Go. I've already done a race with another company before and smoked them, but they still claim they're faster. Oh, did you get one of these?
No.
I did. What a nice gift from CarryonUSA.com. Let's see what's in here while he's putting that together. Charger. Oh, and a nice bottle holder in your key set. Here's your little hard shell bag. This goes on the back. I'm not worried about him. I'm really not. Comes out. The seat, look, the seat just comes right out. Just take the plastic off. You gotta have plastic off. We're doing a blue and red because we just sold a blue and a red, but just so you know, we also have green, gold, pink, black, a bunch of other stuff. Just call us. Some guy says he wanted a patriotic one. We made him one. Not even worried. Not at all. Right now, this has the battery in it. You can do it differently, but since we are racing, I just pulled it right out. So it's not that heavy. Look how fast he's going. He is just a speed demon. Basket. If you have one, CarryonUSA.com. It'll go directly to the scooter. That's how you open the basket.
Come on, Justin, there's a steak dinner in it for you if you win.
He's lucky he even had his one. He got his scooter in. So right here, guys, just bring this right up. It is important to take the battery out. Some companies will just show you unboxing and riding it. We like to give this a full charge. Factories say that. So get this on your charger right away. And I'll show you that in a minute. So right here, if you want, we're going to put the bottle holder on. Just going to take this little tool that comes with it. This is one thing you do have to do from us is put the bottle holder on it. We might start doing them with the bottle holder on, but just in case, we do it this way. Basically, just take this. You can put it on this side or on the other side. Just use the screws. What is Justin doing?
I'm doing the basket brackets.
Oh, are you? Mine already has the basket bracket on it. Thankfully, I bought mine from CarryonUSA.com.
Oh, yeah?
I don't have to worry about putting that basket bracket on.
It's a little tedious.
Yeah, it's not much fun. Then I'm going to come in here and put the other screw. Oh, I wanted you to be in this video, Brandon. It's Brandon. Eddie, get Brandon. He doesn't like to be on video. He just came back from a long drive to the beach to deliver a chair. Bam! Here's your manual. I usually take this, put that right back in there. Watch this. Look how easy it is for my basket to go on. But you do have to loosen this back part up, Eddie. Story time with Eddie. We haven't done Disneyland. You do have to take the battery out first and take this fuse out. There's a spare fuse for just in case. And place it right back here. Behind here gives you all your fault codes. What could be wrong with it? Something's wrong with it. What's going on over there?
trying to get this cup holder on here. This little tiny Allen wrench.
Take this. Always put the seat on like this, guys. Make sure it's on there. Latch it. Watch how cool this. This is where your flag can go. There's a little spot in the back, but who really uses flags? He didn't get one of those, so I don't need to do that. Key. Oh, he's still working. Manual. And since I got a free gift, it is one more step I have to do. I think some people charge $90 for this bag. It's free with CarryonUSA.com.
Done.
Well, I had to put the bag on, so you lost. Because I already had my key in it, and I was just putting my free $90 bag that
You didn't get your battery in there.
people charge. You don't put your battery on it.
My
You gotta-
battery's in there.
Well, you're not supposed to do that first. You're supposed to put it on the charger. Give it a first 12-hour charge. That's another thing. We're telling you put the battery on the charger. It's very easy. Take this right out. Take this cord. Let me show you this real quick. He worked extremely hard to try to beat me and lost. Plug this right into this port, which this is a cool part about this system, guys. This is 6 pounds for your long-range battery. This can be charged away from the scooter, so this scooter can stay in the house at all times, or in the car, and you can take just this in to charge it. Once this light's green, it's fully charged. Just give it a first 12-hour charge is what they're asking us. You can also charge it through here. Just plug that right in there. So same thing. And again, we're the inventors of the kickstand. So if you need a kickstand to stand these right up, when you order it, we'll put one on when you get it. It'll be on the back. You're still going to get this bag with a standard GB120 package. If you buy the GB120 TSA package, you won't get the long range battery. You'll get 2 TSA batteries, 2 fireproof bags, and a full enclosure travel bag.